If you're starting to pinch your pennies to become a first-time home buyer, there are a few government incentives that might make life easier. The first-time home buyer tax credit, sometimes called the HPTC, is a small rebate that can help recover some of those costs. Here's what you need to know about the first-time home buyer's tax credit. The first time home buyer's tax credit is a $5,000 non refundable tax credit. If you're buying a home for the first time, it can make buying the first home a little bit easier. The first time home buyer's tax credit was first introduced in 2009 and is available to all qualifying Canadian taxpayers. Okay, how do you know if you're a first time home buyer? The Canada Revenue Agency sets out a simple list of requirements that determine what counts as the first time home buyers. Here's how to know if you qualify. First, you or your partner bought a home that qualifies. I'll list about those points later in the video. 2. You didn't live in another home owned by you or your partner in the same year or any of the 4 years before. The federal definition of a first-time homebuyer is a little different to the definition used by some provinces, which can make it easier to be eligible for first-time homebuyers tax credit. The vast majority of homes in Canada qualify for first-time homebuyers tax credit, but there are a few requirements to keep in mind. Your home qualifies if it is a single-family detached townhouse, mobile home, or a condo. 2. It is an existing or a new construction home located in Canada. You've moved into a home within 1 year of making the purchase, and the home is listed as your principal residence and is registered under your name or your partner's name. Claiming the first-time homebuyer's tax credit is simple. If you're using online software like Simple Tax or TurboTax, you'll answer yes to their questions about whether you purchased a home for the first time in this tax year. If you're preparing your taxes yourself, you'll fill in the CRA home buyer's amount on line 31270 of your Schedule 1, previously line 369 on your income tax return, with the amount $5,000. That's it. The CRA will do the rest. The first-time home buyer's tax credit can only be claimed once per home. That means if you're buying your home with a partner, co-purchaser, or buying a home with a joint mortgage, you can only claim the tax credit once. You can choose how to claim the credit. However, you could claim the full $5,000 yourself, your partner can claim the full amount, or you can split between the two of you. Depending on how much tax each of you pays, there may be an advantage if one of you claim instead of the other. The choice is yours as long as the total doesn't exceed $5,000. The first-time home buyer's tax credit should not be confused with the home buyer's plan. These are two different government programs. The first-time home buyer's tax credit is the non-refundable tax credit we discussed now. The home buyer's plan, on the other hand, lets you withdraw up to $35,000 for your RRSP to use as down payment on your first home. Since these are two separate programs, using one doesn't affect your ability to use the other. Thank you. If you got any value out of all of this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.